Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Universal Hero Shards in Last War. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so go ahead and log into Last War, and then under your user profile we've got a VIP. Click onto that VIP. From here we want to click on the little shop icon next to VIP. Now once we're inside the store, go ahead and click onto Alliance, and then we've got the Universal Shard here. So at the moment it is worth 3,000. So if you want to go ahead and purchase it, you can purchase it from here, but there are other ways how to get this. So we can keep an eye out for events and missions. So keep an eye on daily, weekly and special in-game events. So go to events, back to your home page, click onto events. Now just check out these events. So many of these reward Universal Hero Shards when you complete objectives like training troops, gathering resources, or defeating enemies. Also, Alliance rewards, so being active in an Alliance pays off. Participating in Alliance wars, donations, and team events often grant Shard rewards. And campaign and challenges, so as you progress through the campaign and complete challenge stages, you can earn Hero Shards and sometimes Universal ones as bonuses.